As a copywriter with 20 years of experience, I'm here to share the top 5 copywriting books that I would recommend for beginners wanting to learn copywriting. The first copywriting book that I ever read was the Adweek Copywriting Handbook by Joseph Sugarman back in 2003, and it literally changed my life. I mean, if it wasn't for that book, I may have never discovered copywriting or become a copywriter. And I even had the pleasure of meeting Joe at a marketing conference where I personally thanked him back in 2009. Joseph Sugarman is something of a legend in the direct marketing world, known for his innovative direct response ads in the 1960s and 70s, particularly selling his high-ticket gadgets. This handbook is a comprehensive guide to writing powerful copy from one of America's top copywriters. Sugarman covers everything from the basics of good writing to advanced sales techniques. Joe also discusses the psychological triggers that encourage people to buy and how you can use them to your advantage, making it a great book for anyone to improve their copywriting skills. The second book I read on my journey isn't really about copywriting, it's about persuasion. The book is called Influence: The Psychology of Persuasion by Robert Cialdini. Cialdini is a professor of psychology and marketing at Arizona State University. He spent his entire career researching the psychology of influence. The book Influence is more of a deep dive into the psychology behind why people say yes. It offers insights into the 6 principles of persuasion, which are reciprocity, commitment and consistency, social proof, authority, liking, and scarcity. Copywriting has been described as persuasion in print, and I often use these 6 principles when writing persuasive copy that drives people to take action. The third copywriting book I recommend for beginners is one of my favorites, Web Copy That Sells by Maria Veloso. Now, Maria served as the director of creative web services for a number of internet companies where she advanced her copywriting skills. Maria offers strategies for crafting compelling emails, blog posts, and web pages that are designed to convert. Her methods show you how to write in a way that speaks to today's online consumers, making it a great book for those who want to master the art of copywriting for the web. Now, the fourth copywriting book I'm recommending is The Boron Letters by the late and great Gary Halbert. Gary Halbert was one of the most famous and respected copywriters in the world. At the beginning of my copywriting career, I actually sent Gary one of the sales letters I'd written about a Japanese toothbrush. At the time, he was super famous, so I didn't really expect to receive a reply. So I was shocked to not only get an email reply from Gary, but also a glowing testimonial. He said, "Jesse, I think the copy is fantastic. Properly exploited, it will make millions." What's unique about the Boron Letters is that they were written during Halbert's time in Boron Federal Prison Camp, and they were addressed to his son, giving him personal advice on life and copywriting. These letters offer a blend of life lessons and copywriting wisdom. Gary Halbert shares his insights into direct mail advertising, crafting offers, and understanding consumer psychology. His teachings are as much about understanding how to live a meaningful and successful life as they are about writing copy that sells. The fifth copywriting book on the list was written by someone who is considered the father of advertising and is a legend in the industry. It's called Ogilvy on Advertising by David Ogilvy. David was known for his emphasis on creative copy and extensive research for his campaigns. His classic ads are still studied today for their effectiveness and simplicity, and his agency Ogilvy & Mather remains a powerhouse in the advertising world. This book provides timeless insights into the advertising industry from one of its greatest minds. Ogilvy covers everything from headlines to research to the ethics of advertising. He offers sage advice on how to produce advertising that is both tasteful and effective, making it a must-read for beginners who want to produce work that doesn't just sell, but also stands the test of time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.